Hello everyone, and we are going to make a page loader. First opening with VS Code, and now create a file. And after creating file, I just go to this icon and create a new file and name it HTML, which is style HTML, and I give another page and style CSS. Okay, so now I'm going to write boilerplate here. So it will generate code, and I will just remove all other waste product. And so I'm going to create a class inside div and name it loader dot page. Okay, and I'm going to create again div, and in div I'm going to make again a class and give it a name loader one. Okay, so this is the two things, and I'm going to add CSS file into this and name it t style. Okay, so I save it and just go into view. Now I'm going to copy this and paste it here with dot, and now I'm going to do display, and which is going to be flex. Next one is align item, which is going to be center, and then justify content, and this is also going to be center. So this means it going to the right to the center of the page. Okay, web page, and let's give it a height of 100 report. Now I make the CSS for the first one, which is first container, and which is this one. Okay, and now I'm going to copy another div class and going to paste here with dot, and now give it a border which is 5 pixel. Okay, solid color. You just saw here square. Okay, and let's give the color um, RGBA. Okay, so these are the color here. After that, I'm going to add border top. Border top will be again 5 pixel and solid, and going to be the color which will be, I'm going to choose color black. Okay, so this is the thing. Border of 5 pixel solid and RGBA red, green, blue, and alpha. Okay, border top will be 5 pixels, which is solid and color in black. Okay, now I'm going to add border radius. Okay, so border radius will be 50%. Okay, so and width will be let's say 40 pixel. Okay, now you are see here, and now I'm going to give it a height. Height again will be 40 pixel, and now you are see half curve. Okay, let's give it a border top will be 4. Okay, now it's thin and better than 5 pixel. Now I'm going to give it a animation, and animation will be name spin. Okay, and duration will be 1 second. Let's delete all this other stuff. Okay. Linear, give it linear and infinite. Okay, so what will do, it will just keep moving and infinite. Okay, you don't have to do anything. Now we are going to add keyframes in it. So by adding keyframes, so that it's keep rotating. Okay, so we are going to write keyframes identifier in Spain. Okay, so this is easy. Okay, and now we are going to add 0%. So when it's 0, okay, so transformation. Okay, transformation will be rotate 0 degree. Okay, so now we are going to again add 100%. Okay, and again transform rotate 360 degree. So okay, let's if I change it to 140, so it will rotate half. So you can look here, it will just only going to like this one. Okay, so that's why let's make it again 360, so it float it fully. And if you want to change the color, if you don't like the color black, you can change whatever the color you want to be. If I say uh, I want to choose red, you can choose red. You want to choose yellow, you can choose yellow. Whatever the color you want to choose, you can easily pick. Okay, so I'm just going with blue. Just simple, and that's all. You are here, and if you want to make it more thin, you can just go on to pixel 3.5 pixel. Just 3.5 pixel is best. Let's make it more thick. Oh why this looking weird. So 3.5 will be perfect for this one. That's all. We just currently make loading spinner. Okay, so that's all. This is your code here. Have a good day. See ya. मिलते हैं next video में.